How to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrencies. Since we all know, BTC all-time high was $70,000 plus, and now its current price is $20,000 and something. Bitcoin price is down right now. So here's the opportunity for small @gnat investors to get amazing profit in your future. I'll show you step by step two buying methods: credit debit card and P2P. Even if you're a beginner and don't know what I'm talking about, you will be able to understand easily. Let me introduce an exchange which you can use to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency.
This is Binance Exchange for what I'm talking about. It's the biggest trading volume exchange, having 9.9 out of 10 score by user trust and legitimacy. You will need to log in at first. If you didn't sign up before, then please check out the link from the video description below to sign up.
Before walking ahead, I want to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, please smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel.
This is the market overview. We can see many cryptocurrencies over here. Click BTC to check Bitcoin price chart. Here we can see BTC chart and BUSD pair. BUSD is same like USDT. Now just going to show you how to buy it. Come over to buy crypto tab, click credit or debit card. You know what? Normally exchanges doesn't sell cryptocurrencies through credit or debit card like that, but Binance does that. Now write the amount you want to buy Bitcoin for. In normal verified account, we can't buy less than $10 or more than $12,000 at once. So make sure to put amount between 10 and 12,000 US dollar. Let's say $100. In $100, you will receive 0.004944 Bitcoin. Here it's showing 1 BTC price, which is 20,228.30. If you want to buy more than that, just write it here. Let's say 5,000 US dollar. Click continue. My Payoneer MasterCard already linked with it, but we can change it from here. I don't want to change, so just click continue. Now just write CVV code over here and click next and then confirm transaction. You are done. You will receive Bitcoin in your spot wallet. Now let's see how to buy with P2P method. Use P2P when your credit or debit card doesn't support buying crypto or exchange doesn't allow your country to purchase. P2P is a risky way because here are third-party sellers sell cryptocurrencies. I highly recommend you guys to just buy from verified sellers or buy from sellers already has done 100 plus orders with 80 to 90% completion rate. We can change buying payment method currency from here. Select USD. Here you will see seller offers in low to high format. I don't recommend you guys to fall for low price because normally here people scam like that. Above two sellers are limited buyers, so okay, we can buy from this seller, Coin Trader. It's verified, having 100 plus orders with 90% plus completion rate. You can write amount here you want to use for purchase Bitcoin. You can pay the seller through AirTM, but if you want to pay with your trusted payment methods, then you can filter out from here. You can select payment method here you prefer. I'll select Wise. Here you can see which seller accept payment through which medium. Perfect Money, Wise. This is the lowest price you will get for 1 BTC over here by filtering payment method. It's $3,000 more than actual market price. Click buy BTC. Here is terms and conditions by the seller. He is saying let's trade, go ahead with payment, no delay. That's good, he's right. Once you will start your order here, by just clicking buy button, you should pay him within 15 minutes through his supported payment method. Once you paid and send him receipt of the payment, he will release payment to you.
I hope you guys did like this informative how-to video. If yes, then please hit the like button, smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel. If you do have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. 𝗙𝗚𝗵𝗵𝗴𝗏𝗡𝗔𝗟